Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. We are discussing states of matter. In the last class we discussed kinetic molecular theory of gases and important postulates or assumptions. In this class, let us discuss kinetic gas equation. Kinetic gas equation. So kinetic gas equation gives the relationship between pressure exerted by the gas molecules. Pressure exerted by the gas molecules in the given volume of the gas. So that is PV. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mNc square. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mNc square. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mNc square is called as kinetic gas equation. So here P is nothing but pressure exerted by the gas. Pressure of the gas. Pressure of the gas. V. Volume of the gas. Volume occupied by the gas. Volume of the gas. M. M is nothing but mass of the gas molecules. Mass of the gas molecules. Mass of the gas molecules. N means number of gas molecules. Number of gas molecules. Number of gas molecules. C is nothing but speed or velocity. Speed of the gas molecules. Speed of the gas molecules. So this is the kinetic gas equation. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mNc square. Okay, next. Kinetic theory. Kinetic theory and molecular speeds. Kinetic theory and molecular speeds. We know that gas molecules are in a constant random motion. Gas molecules are in the state of constant random motion at a given temperature. Gas molecules are in the state of constant random motion. And also the gas molecules collide with each other and also with the walls of the container. So this means when the gas molecules are in the state of constant random motion, they collide with each other and also with the walls of the container. But however, not all the gas molecules have same speeds. Not all the gas molecules moves with constant speeds. Different gas molecules have different speeds. The kinetic energy possessed by the gas molecules is given by kinetic energy possessed by the gas molecules is given by half mc square. Ek is nothing but kinetic energy of the gas molecules, and m means mass of the gas molecule. C is nothing but speed of the gas molecules. So that is gas molecules in the container are in the state of constant random motion, so that they collide with each other and also with the walls of the container. The kinetic energy of the gas molecules is given by Ek is equal to half into m into c square. M is mass of the gas molecule. C means speed of the gas molecules. If N1 be the number of gas molecules. If N1 molecules, if N1 molecules have speed V1 and N2 molecules have speed V2 and N molecules have speeds Vn, then the average kinetic energy is given by, because not all the gas molecules will collide with the same extent. Not all the gas molecules will collide with the same kinetic energy. Some of the gas molecules will collide with the larger speeds, and some of the gas molecules will collide with the least extent, and they move with the lower speeds, so that the average kinetic energy possessed by the gas molecules during collision is given by average kinetic energy, that is E bar K is equals to half into m into n1 v1 square plus n2 v2 square plus n3 v3 square plus so on n vn square divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 so on n. So this is the average kinetic energy possessed by the gas molecules during their collisions. And once again here E bar K is equals to half into m c square. Here c square is nothing but c square is equals to n1 v1 square plus n2 v2 square plus on down n vn square divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on n. So this is c square. C is equals to, from that R is equals to C is equals to square root of C is equals to square root of n1 v1 square plus n2 v2 square plus so on n vn square divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 so on n. So that is, here C represents RMS velocity. Root means square velocity. Here C is nothing but root means square velocity. Root means square velocity. C can be defined as the square root of the mean of the squares of the speeds of different gas molecules. The square root of the mean of the squares of the speeds of different gas molecules. So that means root means square velocity. C is nothing but root means square velocity. So that is C. So we know very well C is equals to root of n1 v1 square plus n2 v2 square plus on n vn square divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on n. So it is nothing but root means square velocity. So RMS velocity. So let me see RMS. Root means square velocity. Root means square velocity is nothing but the square root of the mean of the squares of the speed molecules. So it is root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. So it means CRMS can be defined as root mean square velocity can be defined as the square root of the mean of the square root of the mean of the squares of speeds of different gas molecules. So it is the square root of the mean of the squares of the speeds of different gas molecules. So is called as a root mean square velocity. We know that kinetic gas equation. We know that PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNc square. PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNc square. So here are 3 PV, 3 into PV is equals to mNc square. Here N for 1 mole. N is taken as Avogadro number. 1 mole consists of Avogadro number of gas molecules. 1 mole of gas consists of 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of gas molecules. So that N is taken as Na, and M becomes so that is N into N small n Na into small m. So that means Na is Avogadro number, M is mass of gas molecules, mass of individual gas molecule. So Avogadro number into mass of gas molecule is taken as molar mass of gas molecules, that is capital M. So that 3 into PV is equals to mc square, capital MC square. 3 PV is equals to mc square, C square is equals to 3 into PV divided by capital M, or C is equals to root of 3 into PV divided by M. So this is also called as RMS velocity, RMS speed, root mean square speed or root mean square velocity, root of 3 PV divided by M. And once again we have density is equals to, density is nothing but what? Mass by volume. Density is nothing but mass by volume, or volume by mass, is also taken as 1 by d. So that V by M can be substituted as 1 by d. So that C is equals to root of 3 into PV divided by d for the density. So that is C is equals to root of 3 into PV divided by d. It is also RMS velocity, RMS speed, root mean square speed, and also we have PV is equals to RT, ideal gas equation. PV is RT, ideal gas equation for 1 mole of gas. So that PV, in the place of PV, we can write RT. So that C is equals to, C RMS is equals to root of 3 into RT. 3 into RT divided by M. So we can write C is equals to root of 3 RT by M. Root means square velocity. C is equals to root of 3 PV divided by M. In the place of PV, we can write RT according to the ideal gas equation. So this is for RMS velocity. Root means square velocity. Okay, next. In the kinetic theory of gases, and so okay, the molecular speeds, once again we have average speed, average speed. Average speed is represented by C bar. Average speed is represented by C bar. Average speed is nothing but the arithmetic mean of the velocities or the speeds of different gas molecules at a given temperature. So that is, at a given temperature, the arithmetic mean of the speeds of different gas molecules. The arithmetic mean of the speeds. The arithmetic mean of the speeds of different gas molecules. Different gas molecules at a given temperature. So that is, average speed is nothing but C bar. C average speed is equals to the N1 V1 square plus N2 V2 square plus so on N Vn square divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus so on. C average speed, and at a given temperature, average speed is given by C bar average is given by root of 8 into RT divided by pi into M. C bar average is equal to square root of 8 into RT divided by pi M. Is called as average speed. And once again, in addition to the root mean square velocity and average speed, we have most probable velocity. It is most probable velocity. So that is C star MP. MP means most probable velocity. So most probable velocity is nothing but the velocity possessed by the speed possessed by the maximum number of gas molecules at a given temperature. So it is most probable velocity or most probable speed or most probable velocity is nothing but the velocity or the speed possessed by the maximum number of gas molecules at a given temperature. The speeds possessed by the speed possessed by the maximum number of gas molecules, maximum number of gas molecules, maximum number of gas molecules at a given temperature, So here at a given temperature, the most probable velocity is given by C star mp. Most probable velocity or most probable speed is given by root of 2RT divided by m. Root of 2RT divided by m is called as the most probable velocity. Now, most probable velocity, RMS velocity and average velocity are related by that is most probable, comma, average and root mean square, speeds are related as most probable velocity or speed, average speed and the root mean square speeds are related by root of 2RT divided by m is to root of 8RT divided by pi m is to root of 3RT divided by m. So this is the relationship between most probable velocity. So this is C star mp, most probable velocity, and so this is C bar, that is the average velocity, and this is CRMS. This is the relation. And once again, to explain kinetic theory and the distribution of molecular speeds of gases, Maxwell-Boltzmann drawn a graph. So it is to explain kinetic theory and molecular speeds distribution. So that is the distribution of most probable velocity and average velocity and root mean square velocity for a gas molecule. So Maxwell-Boltzmann distributed molecular speeds in the form of a graph. That is Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of molecular speeds at a given temperature. So that means Maxwell-Boltzmann discussed that with varying the temperature, how average speed, most probable speed and root mean square speed of gas molecules changes. We know very well here, on increasing the temperature, the speed of the gas molecules also increases. Speed of the gas molecules increases. So that means the fraction of molecules having most speed or increasing speed also increases with increase in temperature. Suppose if we draw a graph of temperature along x-axis and fraction of molecules, fraction of molecules, then so this is temperature 1, so temperature 1, temperature 2 and temperature 3. So here maximum number of fraction of molecules T1, next here at T2, next this is at T3, so here T3 greater than T1 greater than T3 greater than T2 greater than T1. So T3 greater, that means when temperature is increases, the maximum number of molecules possessing maximum velocity is also more. So that means so this is C star MP. So that means most probable velocity, most probable speed at temperature T3. This is T3. So T2, T1. So here next. So T2. This is the most probable velocity at temperature T2, and this is most probable velocity at temperature T1. So by looking at this distribution curves, we can say that molecular speeds of the gas molecules increases with increase in temperature. When temperature is more, number of gas molecules also increases. And so the number of fraction of molecules which possess maximum speed is also increases. And all the three speeds, that is average speed, most probable speed and root mean square speed is represented by the graph. See here, fraction of molecules, temperature. So here, so the exact maxima represents, so this is represents most probable velocity C star next to the, so this is CMP, maximum probability speed. Next to the CMP, most probable velocity, next one is average. So this is C average, so this is C bar AB, and this is C RMS. So like this, Maxwell Boltzmann discussed the distribution of molecular speeds of gas molecules at increasing temperature. At increasing temperature, the molecular speeds also increases.